feelings caught when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Just gotta get through, I just gotta get.
Hey, welcome to my channel. If you can't use the main Snapchat, or if you want to create a Snapchat account without using your personal information, then today's video is just for you. I will show you how to easily create an account via temp mail by cloning that Snapchat through parallel apps without using the main Snapchat account. And it can be done in a simple way. So let's get started. We will first enter the Google Play Store for Android or iPhone store, then type parallel space and download it. Okay, now write parallel space. Okay, look at these apps, and now you download these apps and also download temp mail. Again, write and search temp mail. This is the temp mail, and download these apps. Now the parallel apps that have downloaded, and now we will log in and bring them into the main Snap. Look at, this is the plus icon. You just tap on this icon and show your many apps. Here you just add Snapchat. We click on Snapchat. This is the login and sign up interface. Now click on sign up, then continue and allow. Again allow. Okay, you can use your Snapchat username here. I just write Odila, then click on sign up and accept. Okay, now you need to put your birthday here. Look at the below and change this date time, then click on continue. Okay, this is your default username. If you want to change this username, just click on change my username. Okay, this is your username, then click on continue, and this is the password section. You just type on your password and it should be 8 characters. Then continue, and you should use temp email here. Okay, now we go to the temp email apps. Okay, this is the temp email. Copy this mail, just click on copy and put on the email section, then continue. The next section, you need to the one verification. You just click on script and look at the screen right side top, then again screen right side top, again script. If you want to create the Bitmoji, so just please on continue. Okay, and just some time wait. Now you can customize this section as your choice. Okay, that's okay. Now click on save, right side top. Now we need to verify this email which I used before. So please look at your above left side and click on this, and now again click on the right side top, the setting option, and just click on don't allow. Now click on setting option, and please look at the red color email. Just click here. Now click on save the below screen. Now again we come back to the email, and please look at the screen below inbox. You got one mail. Just click on the email. Okay, now click on the confirm your email. Just confirm email. Just some time wait. Now your email address is verified. So totally completed your Snapchat account. Then you have one section for customization. Now you need to create public profile. So look at this page and look at the add to spotlight. Just look at to spotlight, and right side have 3 dots. Just click on this. Now click on create public profile. Click on continue. Click on get started. Then click on create. Now your profile is successfully done. So thank you very much for watching. Thanks to again.